Hello, this is Bruce Clapp, and I'm the president of MarketMatch, where we help our clients strategically grow the organizations through focus, momentum, and results. And this is the next installment of the MarketMatch 60-second strategy. And for those of you that know me, you know that I'm a big Disney guy, as you can see from some of our decorations here. And I want to talk a little bit about magic. And Disney is widely known and has been historically known for creating a magical experience. Everything that they have done has been built to create magic, from the tunnels underneath the Magic Kingdom to just the name, and everything about it is all about creating a magical experience. Well, I'll tell you that right now, if you look at Disney's stock, their stock is not magical. Their stock has plummeted in value to probably its lowest period in a long time. And I would say that magic has lost focus. Disney started focusing on profit and started less on magic, because you can't really orchestrate or legislate magic. However, you can empower people to create magical moments. And what they did was they tried to legislate it against it to say, let's create profitable opportunities for the company. And I tell you what, you can see what has happened. Being a big Disney guy, I can still say it's still a magical place, and it's still a place we visit and have created some incredible memories for our family. But I can tell you that also the magic is focused on, or the magic created is focused from the employees, figuring out how can I take that next step above and beyond for the customers that are visiting the Magic Kingdom, whether it's a resort or a restaurant or anywhere else. It's all about the focus on doing things above and beyond and being empowered to feel like, yes, I can make those decisions on the fly that are going to add value to our customers and to our members. So I would empower you to figure out how can you create more magic for your organization, focus less on profit and those kinds of things, because the magic will happen on its own and profit will follow. Learn more at marketmatch.com and have a great day.